Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I wanted to do a short video on educational here on trend channels. Most traders, I don't like that word, most investors draw trend lines wrong. They connect random highs and lows, always looking for the peak in each beginning of a trend line. And you really need to draw trend lines where the most touches on that line are going to occur. So if you have the wrong starting point and ending point, then you're going to wonder why the trades fail. I'm going to show you how to build a proper trend channel, horizontal, which is neutral, bearish, and bullish, using the exact method I've applied for over 25 years as a chartered market technician. At the end, I'll walk you through a live bullish channel on natural gas so you can see how it works on a real chart right now. So let's get into it. What a trend channel actually does, it's two parallel lines containing price action. So this is a horizontal uh, channel trading range, and this is containing all of the price action over the last 3+ years. Why they matter? Because they define the trend. In this case, you can see there is no trend. It's a sideways trend. It's a consolidation. You can see where support is and where resistance is. And it's a risk management tool. You don't want to be buying right here, right against the resistance line. And you don't want to be selling down at the support line. So you want to buy at support and you want to sell at resistance until this trading range changes. You need at least two touches on each side. So here we have two touches. Here we have one and two touches. What it means, either consolidation, such as this is, or in an uptrend, it's accumulation, or in a downtrend, it's distribution, meaning people are selling. Again, you want to buy at support and sell at resistance. That's all I want you to get out of this chart right here. Here's a chart of Bitcoin, and this is a downtrend. This is a bearish channel. And so once you can identify that it's a downtrend, every time prices get up to the support line, I know that's kind of counterintuitive, but support for the bearish channel. So when prices get up here, this is where you want to short. You don't want to be shorting here if you want to short, but it also tells you not to be buying at those times. So if Bitcoin gets a big run for a couple of months, you're thinking, oh, this is the buying opportunity. Well, when it clunks its head on the support line, then you'll know that um, it's not time to buy at that point. So you want to, if you're shorting, you want to short at support and you want to cover that at resistance. That's all I want you to take out of this. This is a bullish channel. This is a uptrend. And I'm going to use nat gas, which is one of my buy recommendations. So see how this works real time and how I use this as a fundamental tool of technical analysis, if that makes any sense. So, here's your support line. I should have labeled this, my bad. And here's your resistance line. So once we got two touches on our support line, we know that we want to buy at support. And once we got two touches on the upline, we know that we want to sell at resistance. That's exactly what me and my followers did. So now we have a third touch. Where is this? It's on support. So this is a good reward to risk scenario. This is where you want to buy. If it breaks down to 2.4, $2.40, I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be out. It's a failed bullish channel. So you want to buy this as close to support as you can because your reward is way up to, I don't know what that would be, maybe 8, and we're at 2.8 or call it 3. That's a lot of upside. And I like this because my downside is limited. I'm going to know if this fails pretty quickly. So probably if we would break the previous low here at 243, that looks like. So, yeah, your instincts tell you when things are going down, I don't want to buy it. But this is exactly, you got to fight those fears, and this is exactly when you want to buy it. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Again, just to kind of summarize that real briefly, trend channels are one of the simplest but most powerful tools in technical analysis, horizontal, bearish, and bullish channels. The rules don't change. You identify your channel, you need at least 2 touches, and you know exactly when you're wrong. If you want to see how this applies um, to natural gas, I'll attach the full video. And I publish every week with clear, actionable chart analysis. No hype, just the charts. No emotion. I look at charts without a name on it. I don't care if it's Bitcoin. I don't care if it's Campbell's soup. If I can make money in it and the reward to risk is really favorable, that's what I'm going to buy. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please subscribe and like. Have a great evening. Adios.